guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. This is gonna be a super quick and simple video. I realized that I did not know that there are quite a few people that don't know how to take crochet, and I don't know why I think it's so simple. Like, to me, I'm like, oh, you just cut it out or whatever. So when I have clients that do get the crochet, they're like, well, how do I take this out of my head? I'm like, you just cut it out. And they're like, what do you mean cut? Like, where is my hair? How far do I cut? How short do I cut? How long do I cut? Where do I cut? So I'm like, you cut, you know, your hair is braided down, you just cut and take it on out. So I was like, why not just make a video of it so that I could send this to them as a reference, and to anyone else that do not know how to take out their crochet without cutting their hair. So I have loose hair, as you guys can see. I'll show you guys a picture of what this hair is. And I've had this in for about a little over 2 weeks, and I'm ready to take it out and try something new. So anytime I take out my crochet, it's super simple. I take it out like this. So I would take pieces and I would stretch it out, and I would cut really close. You guys see how close I'm cutting? Cut it out just like that. See? A lot of hair. I would take this loop, pull through, and that's it. It's out. So you just go through your whole head. So since I've been doing this for a minute, I like to take big chunks, and as you guys can see, that's where my braid is. My hair is braided down, so I know that I'm not cutting my hair. So like I said, I take the hair, stretch it out, pull it, and cut. Just cut that loose hair right there. Hair. And pull the knots. And the hair just simply slides right on out, guys. See? See how it's just sliding right on out. And depending on how you knot it, you might have to kind of tug it out a little bit, or, you know, whoever you went to go ahead and get it installed. So you just pull it out just like that. So gonna let you guys watch me take out the rest of my hair. And y'all see braid still intact. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the rest. right, guys, see, it is completely out. Y'all see my little mini struggle bun back there? And then all you do is just undo the cornrows and you are set to go. So that is exactly how you take out your crochets, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids down and go ahead and wash, deep condition my hair, and get ready for the next style. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for Thank you guys for tuning into the Candy's Hair Diary. Peace.